What sounds extremely wrong, but is actually correct. Before freezing to death, people tend to remove their clothes. Yes. This is called paradoxical undressing, a phenomenon frequently seen in cases of lethal hypothermia. Shortly before death, the person will remove all their clothes, as if they were burning up, when in fact they are freezing. When people feel cold, the most important thing is to ensure the function of the brain, internal organs and other major organs, so the blood vessels at the ends of the body will automatically contract to ensure adequate blood flow to the major organs. In this state of stress for a long time, the muscles that contract the blood vessels fall into fatigue and can no longer work, and must take a calm rest. The peripheral blood vessels on the surface of the body will all open, blood will quickly flow to the end of the limbs, and the long-term cold limbs will be immediately filled with warm blood, resulting in the illusion of very hot when this signal is sent back to the brain. The brain will send the wrong instructions to the body, so that people may think that it is really hot. Take off all the clothes. At this time, people who are on the verge of dying get up and struggle to undress, thinking that undressing is good.